Welcome to this technical guide on the HP ProBook 650G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP ProBook 650G8 is running dead slow, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a failing hard drive, which can lead to frustrating performance and delays in your daily tasks. If left unchecked, it may eventually result in data loss and an even more sluggish device. So, let's get into how we can address this problem. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a replacement hard drive compatible with the HP ProBook 650G8. First, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Inside, locate the hard drive, often situated near the center of the laptop. It will be secured with additional screws. Remove these screws and gently lift the hard drive out of its bay. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new hard drive and slide it into the bay, ensuring it aligns correctly with the connectors. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once the new hard drive is in place, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are re-engaged. Finally, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws on the back panel. Power on your laptop to ensure it boots up correctly and runs smoothly. To prevent this issue from arising again, consider regularly checking your hard drive's health, keeping your operating system and software updated, and performing disk cleanups to free up space. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.